Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. As someone that's dairy-free, it's really important to me that I don't lose flavor when it comes to my creamer for my coffee. I love these nut pod options that give you lots of flavor with all of the great texture that you want when it comes to your creamer in your coffee. This is a variety pack that came with the French vanilla, toasted marshmallow, and the cinnamon swirl. I'm really impressed because all three of them have a unique flavor and they're made from almond and coconut milk. So you definitely get a very thick, lush feeling in your coffee when you're drinking it and adding in these creamers. I really love these creamers for a few reasons. So when you heat them up in the microwave, they don't change the consistency. You can use it when it comes to your frothing machine, and they're great whether you have your coffee hot or iced. Each of the flavors has a really wonderful texture to it. The cinnamon swirl definitely tasted like cinnamon buns. The toasted marshmallow makes me feel like I'm having a really rich, yummy dessert. And the French vanilla is such a classic that you will enjoy in every cup. I really am impressed with the quality as well as all of the really delicious ingredients in these, and the ingredients that are missing I don't miss at all. Rather, I get to enjoy my coffee each and every time that I have one of these creamers. But that's just my point of view.